you want to be sovereign and not rely on the system, well then there's one area that most people struggle with. We've gotten used to smelling like roses with things like deodorant, freshly washed clothes, showers, toothbrushing, etc., etc. The bottom line is, in a survival or apocalyptic type situation, it's gonna be hard to find scents that make you smell beautiful like a rose and cover up your man smell. Ugh. So I'm gonna show you one great source of delicious scent. This delicious scent can be found everywhere in the world in forests near you. And that scent is pine resin. Okay, so tree and pine resin have a lot of uses. Our ancient ancestors used tree resin for medical aid, adhesive, fire starter, wood sealant for consumption, and of course for scent. Some people will call this tree sap. It's actually tree resin. Pine resin is gonna be sticky and it's gonna smell delicious. Now, because pine resin is very sticky, you have to process it a little before you can use it to apply on your body. This is less of a how-to video and more of a, hey, where can I find some delicious scents so that I can cover up my man stench in the apocalypse? So do me a favor, go find some pine trees out in your local woods, find some resin, and play around with it in your backyard. God bless.